Is it possible to make 20,000 trading supply and demand combined with candlestick psychology? In this video, I'm gonna show you the cons and pros of this strategy. Make sure you watch the entire video. There will be multiple pro tips for you to enhance your win rate, whether you are a beginner or experienced trader. Now, I'm gonna show you guys the settings for the timer and the candlesticks. So I'm using 1 minute Japanese candles, okay? You see, and then I'm also using flag mode, as you see right here. 1 minute, not 30 seconds or 2 minutes, 1 minute. And then this side here must be on 00. Don't have to trouble this side here, it's going to be automatically connected to the candles. Okay, so let's find some beautiful opportunity. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna show you guys why I took this trade. Okay, I'm gonna mark it up for you real quick. So I took this trade because I saw that this was a engulfing candle. This engulf is not so strong, but it is still a engulf regardless. Okay, and I saw the candle close inside of this zone here, and I had a proper discount entry, as you guys see at the top here, which is so cool. And then yeah, I take advantage of that, and I'm waiting for the price to close in my favor. Come on. Yeah, see that entry, guys? That sniper entry right there, guys. If you love this trade, comment it down below. Yes. Let me go in for one more. Yeah, this is very good. So yes, guys, as you see right here, this is a very strong supply area, demand I should say, right? And the price came right to my area, and I'm in the direction of the trend also. Okay, and this is very crucial, guys. You always want to go with the trend. You see that? See how nice that entry is, guys? And this is how you trade supply and demand in the right way, guys. You need to make sure that you join the strongest level so you can have the highest chance of winning. Oh my. Okay, no problem. If I lose this 3,000, it's because of my entry, guys. As you see, my entry is very bad here. I noticed that the price came down to this demand area, gave me an engulfing candle, very strong engulfing candle in fact. So I should be very confident in this trade because this engulf is very strong. The only thing is my problem, my entry. See that? It's too high. You know, like the price can close right here. See what I'm saying? Like, and let me lose. But let's see what's gonna happen here, because let me see, we are against the major trend, but we are with the smaller trend. So let's see what's gonna happen. You see that, guys? My entry is causing a problem here. When I was trying to enter, guys, the platform let me enter all the way here. I don't like that, you know. It's very irritating, to be honest. It happens to me sometimes. Beautiful, guys. You see that? See that? Yes. So as you guys see right here, we are at this demand area. Let me mark it real quick. Okay, yes. So I took this trade. Let me see something if I'm with the trend. Yes, I'm with the trend. Everything is very beautiful in this trade here. Yeah, guys, I don't even know what to say about this trade. It's so clean, so beautiful. Everything is just lining up. You call this high probability trades, okay? When you have everything in your favor and there's nothing against you, there is no level, nothing. I am with the market direction also. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Come on. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Making this right here. Okay, as you see, guys, this is a demand area. This was a strong Mariposa candle right here, close. So this demand area is very strong. And yeah, we have a nice discount entry all the way there. We are with the trend also. So yeah, everything is in our favor, guys. We are not going against any trend. And we have a discount entry, which is so good. So good. That was a win, guys. Beautiful. Alright. The reason I'm taking this, guys, I saw that the price came here and closed inside of this supply area. Let me see something. Okay, we are not in the direction of the trend, but as you see, look clearly, the price is ranging, right? And we know that in ranging markets, support and resistance, supply and demand levels itself, they were very good during ranging markets. Okay, levels were superiors in ranging market versus trending markets. Nice, nice. This one is very good, guys. Because we are with the trend. Clearly, you can see. I don't even have to explain. If you look very closely, I think everyone by now understand how to identify the trend. Okay. If you realize we are strong. You see that the trend is very strong. So this trade is a sure shot. Sure trade. Yeah, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. Nice. So guys, you see this? This is a weekend closing side of the demand area. Let me see. I'm in the direction of the trend. This is very good. Always make sure that you're in the direction of the trend. So the price closing here, and then it was a weak candle also, right? And we know that whenever weak candles close inside the level, it's a high chance the price can go in the opposite direction. And see, it's happening right now. So yeah, this trade is beautiful, guys. Look at that. I have 3,000 on the line, and this trade is a banger. Perfecto, perfecto. If you are looking for consistency while trading, my mentorship has the answers to help you become consistently profitable. If you are ready to invest in yourself and you're ready to be profitable, use the link in description to apply for mentorship, and I will see you in the inside. So this will be the end of the video, guys, and I will see all of you in the next video. Peace out.